Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Vela Visutara, student ID 2441214 from the Accounting Study Program. Today we are going to discuss decision theory. It's the study of how individual or organization make the best choice in situation involving uncertainty and risk. In everyday life, we are often faced with choices that have various possible outcomes. But we cannot now forecast which result will occur. Decision theory provides us with tools and approaches to select the best alternative based on available information. Especially in a certain situation. Why is decision theory important? Decision theory is crucial because we frequently make decisions that affect our life and others, whether in personal or business context. For instance, in business, decision making can impact profits, losses, and business stability. By applying decision theory, we can account for various factors that affect decision making, reduce risk by choosing the most profitable alternative, make more rational data-driven decision. Components of decision theory. Decision theory has several key components that are interconnected. 1. Alternative. The available choice or option to choose from in decision theory. We always have several alternatives to consider. 2. Decision. The choice that will be made based on the analysis of available alternatives. 3. Outcomes. The consequence or result of the decision made. Each alternative will lead to a different outcome. 4. Probability, the likelihood of an outcome occurring. In decision theory, we often work with probability to predict the possible result of each alternative. 5. Utility. The level of satisfaction or value expected from an outcome. This utility can be subjective depending on the preference of the individual or organization. Types of decision based on uncertainty. In decision theory can be classified based on the level of uncertainty faced. Decision under uncertainty. This occurs when we do not know the result that will occur from its alternative. All the probability of this outcome are unknown. For instance, we must choose alternative without clear probability information. Decision under risk. In this situation, we have information about the probabilities or chance of result according from each alternative. These decisions are made by considering the measurable risks. For example, a company chooses to invest based on the estimate probability, a process in decision theory. There are several approaches used in decision theory to choose the best alternative. 1. Optimistic approach. Max-Emax. This approach is used by individuals or organizations that are optimistic. They will choose the alternative that provide the best result if everything goes perfectly. This approach tends to pick option with the greatest potential for reward, even if it carries high risks. 2. Pacific approach, Maximin. This approach is used by individuals or organizations that are more cautious or pessimistic. They will select the alternative that provides the best result from the worst-case scenario. This approach is more focused on security. 3. Resort approach. The approach focuses on minimizing regret if the decision made turns out to be wrong. In this approach, we assume we will feel disappointed if the outcome is bad. So, we choose the alternative that reduces the probability of the great result. Example of a decision under risk. For example, a company wants to choose between the location to open a factory. They have probability information about product demand at both locations. Location A has a 0.7 probability of high demand and a 0.3 probability of low demand. Location B has a 0.5 probability of high demand and 0.5 probability of low demand. The company needs to choose the best location based on expected profit and risks. Here, the decision is made based on probabilities and the expected result. And decision theory help assess the most profitable alternative. Application of decision theory in daily life. Decision theory is not only applied in business, but also in personal life. Some examples for its application include 1. Choosing a job. Choosing the best job based on factors like salary, location, career prospects, and personal satisfaction. 2. Choosing a place to live. Choosing between buying a house or renting, or selection a location that fits the budget and family needs. 3. Vacationing. Choosing a vacation decision based on factors like choose, weather, and available activities. Decision theory provides us with tools to make the best choice in situations involving uncertainty or risks. By understanding the various approaches and components in decision theory, we can select more profitable alternative based on available data and analysis. This theory is important in both business and daily life because it helps us make decisions that are moral structured and rational. I hope this explanation helped with preparing your decision theory presentation. Feel free to add examples or future discussion to make your presentation even more interactive and enticing. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.